So back in the spring, when I was making my plans for the farm this year, I had a really stupid idea. I had this idea that I wanted to make a chicken tractor twice the size of a normal chicken tractor.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb, for real.
Usually on our farm, we use the John Siskovich style chicken tractors. They're really well designed. They're not too hard to make. But the downside was I didn't want to have more of them. I didn't want to make too many more because they're a little bit expensive and they're just work. And so I figured, why make 2 chicken tractors when I could make 1 chicken tractor the size of 2 chicken tractors?
That does not make sense.
It felt like to me at the time when I was thinking it through, like it was gonna be an efficiency play and was gonna kind of really work well in my favor. When I was going through this completely stupid design process, I also had the idea of actually trying to use sheet metal on it. Because I raise mostly geese here, I have this problem that the geese are constantly ripping up and chewing the tarps. Like, to give you guys an example of it, I have a problem with the tarp right here. I have a problem with the tarp over there. Geese are great, but they're not great when it comes to being around tarps. So I decided to make this gigantic hulking chicken tractor that weighs, based on my math, somewhere in the neighborhood of 700, 800 pounds. So it's a monster. And I've been able to use it to a certain extent. I put wheels on it. I put 6 wheels on it actually, to be exact. But the wheels keep stripping off, you know? They it's too heavy, so the rubber rubs off. They slide out. They're constantly falling off. You know, here's an example of it. It just turns into a nightmare. You know, look, I'm a stout gentleman, or as the New York Times described me, short and stocky. And sometimes when I get stuck in certain ruts, it's just absolutely impossible to drag this thing. If I'm on flatter parts of the pasture, I can actually do it. But a lot of times I run into trouble, and the only way I can move it is by doing this. You know, I was sort of resigned to my fate and said that, you know, just for this season of farming, that's gonna be how I house these geese over here. Then a couple of weeks ago, I got an email from a guy who's got a company. The company that he's got, it's called Chick Lifts. And what they do is they actually make these little wheelie things that are designed to go under John Siskovich style chicken tractors, or really any kind of chicken tractor, to be honest. And I'd actually seen this little gadget around. My buddy Jason over at Sow the Land, he actually made a video about one that he got to demo out.
I kind of love it. It makes this chicken tractor just a little bit more efficient.
This guy was so confident that his chicken tractor wheels could move my gigantic chicken tractor that he said I could try it out. And so today what we're gonna do is actually I'm gonna attach the wheels to it and test it out and see how it works. I really hope it works. This guy seems so nice and he's a small business owner. I would hate to have this product fail while I'm trying to move my chicken tractor and have both him and me look like dummies, but I've got confidence in this guy. He seemed like a really nice dude. We're gonna test this out to see if my 12 by 12 world's largest chicken tractor can actually be moved by hand when you use these chick lifts. I do have to mount the chick lift against the chicken tractor, and so it's got these holes that I've got to put bolts through to get right in the back here. The chick lift actually comes with a set of mounting hardware, so that makes it nice and easy for you. Okay, so that maybe took me about 5 minutes to install. If that's probably even just a little bit less. Can I help you guys with something? Huh? So yeah, it just sort of sits nice and secure on the back here. I guess the only thing to really do now is test it out and see if it works.
I'm just getting warmed up.
Well, it's not perfect, but it does make life pretty easy. Sure is a cool little contraption. I mean, when it comes down to it, guys, I really struggle to move this chicken tractor. I'm pretty sure it's the world's heaviest chicken tractor. Or maybe not the world's heaviest chicken tractor, but definitely the world's heaviest chicken tractor here on my farm. And it's a struggle for one human to move it. If you guys want to buy a chick lift for yourself, if you have your own Siskovich style chicken tractor, it's really handy. If you've got a bigger, weirder chicken tractor like I've got, it works great. But just in the name of disclosure, that chick lift was given to me for free by the good folks at Chick Lifts. So I did get it for free, but they are not paying me to make this video. I gotta say, I'm just impressed with it. I'll leave a link down below for their website if you want to buy one for yourself. Like you saw, they work great on weird big chicken tractors. I bet they work pretty great on like a Siskovich style chicken tractor too. So definitely give them a check out. I'll leave a discount code down below too that they asked me if I wanted to have for Goldshaw Farm viewers. So be sure to do that. I think you get like 10% off. Oh, look at those geese. They're loving the wide open spaces right now.